Hi, my name is Sendam Narasi. My project title is Efficient Stateless Multicasting using RV Multicast for ad hoc network. First of all, we have to run this multicasting. Multicasting is nothing but it's a delivery of a message to a group of destination computers simultaneously in a single transmission from a source. For this purpose only I have illustrated in this diagram. For this I have run this multicasting, and first of all we have to construct the region, node and header side. First I have constructed the region by giving the value of 5 over here, and I have to click connect, and the main window of the region will be appearing in the screen. And this is where a host name, which is nothing but the computer name, and port number and the distance, the value which I have given will be there in the main screen. And likewise I have to give for another region also, where I have given the value as 50, and I have to click the same connect. The same main window will appear for distance 50, and this is the main window. And we have to give the value for header and node by selecting the header in the radio button, where we will be having two radio button, header and the node. We have to click the header part and we have to give the value. For example, I have given the value as 6, and I have to click connect, and the message box will be appearing, which is nothing but the new region is located for the particular header, where the value 6 will appear in the region 5. For this purpose only this message box appears, and in region side also a new node join message box will be appearing. We have to click OK for that, and we have to give another header by selecting the header, and we have to give some values. Likewise I have given the value as 52, and I have to click the same connect. The same thing will be appearing likewise for previous header, like a new region is located and the region side new node join will be appearing, and I have to give the values for node by clicking the radio button node, and I have to give the value as for example 8, and I have to click connect. And for this the main window of the node will be appearing, where the three message box appears, which is where new region located message box appear, and the connected with the header message box appear, and to the neighboring node which is nothing but the header side and the new node joined message box will be appearing. We have to click OK for that, and we have to give value for another. We have to construct another node also by clicking the node radio button, and we have to give the value for that. I have given the value as 54 for this purpose, and same wise the main window for this particular distance 54 will be appearing, and the message box like a new node join, new region located, and for the neighboring node new node join will be appearing. And as well as this 54 is connected with the header of distance 52 will be appearing, and here I can give some message. I can type the message by selecting some destination by clicking the load destination button over here, and all the node which is appearing in this region will be appearing over here, where I have to select some destination node. I have selected this node, and I have to type some message like I have typed as hi, and I have to click the send button. The message box will be appearing, which states that the particular message reaches that destination node of 5422 will be appearing by saying this message box. I have to click this OK, and when I saw this destination part, that message will be appearing in this main window, where hi message I have sent it from the source node 5288 will be appearing over here, and through what are the neighboring node which is appearing in the intermediate part will be selected by clicking the show packet button over there, and the packet info window will be appearing, where we have to click the show packet information, and the source destination will be appearing over, which is nothing but the source and destination, and these are the intermediate node where the message passes through all the region part, and through header side the particular message is passed to that particular destination will be appearing over here. And when we want to move a node from one part to other part, we can give the values likewise. I have given the value over here 9. Okay, I will give the value as 9, where the 54 distance will be changed to distance 9, and it will be moved from a particular region to the another region by clicking the move from group button, where the message box appear, where for this particular distance 9 the new region located will be appearing and new node joined will be appearing, and these are the message box, and it will be connected with the header message box also will be appearing. And in the region part, the particular node is quit from this particular region or group will be appearing by showing the message box as node have quit from this group will appear. We have to click OK for that. And if you want to send more number of message from more source to more destination, it also possible over here by clicking the same load destination over here. And what are the node part, header part, what are the nodes available, all these things will be available over here. We have to click something, and we can give some message, and we have to click add to queue, and again we can select some other destination part, and we can give some other message or same message as our wish, and we have to click same add to queue. Here I have included more number of message, and I have to click queue send. If I click queue send, all those message which I have given, that will be appearing over here, where the message hi I have sent is been displayed to the particular destination, and this bye message also will be appearing over here, which we can see to the particular destination, where bye message have been sent from the source node 5422 to this particular destination headed 2947. And another thing, I have sent a hi message also, which also appear over here. So from this node we can see a more number of message has been sent from many source to many destination, which is nothing but the multicasting is possible over here, which is a new thing I have included over here. And through this part where there is no construction of tree structure is done over here, and there is no delay of message sent from source to destination occurs, and we can give an assurity that the message reaches to the particular destination. So all those things will be seen over in this project, and that's all. Thank you.